So this is Betty. Betty is a 2000 Ford Mustang GT convertible. And today I'm going to be attempting to put in hood struts for this car. The older cars a lot of times have a really heavy hood. This should help to lift it, and it also gets the prop rod out of the way for working on the engine. Okay guys, this is what it looks like when you take this out of the package. It's just got some instructions here, and then you can see all the different parts. I've been watching the video on installation on AmericanMuscle.com where I purchased this bolt-on hood strut kit from, and they say I need deep well sockets. I don't have those in this size, so I will be using regular sockets and probably some combination wrenches. We're going to see how that goes. Anyway, 8 and 10 millimeter size. Here's the 8 and the 10, and an adapter to go from a 1/4 inch drive to a 1/2 inch drive, since I don't have a 1/4 inch drive ratchet. Whoops. And now I'm going to have to call in the expert because that sheared off. Right there, you can see that's sheared off. So I'm going to need some help. So that's how it goes sometimes. I cannot take care of that sheared off bolt by myself, and I talked to him, and since this is kind of different, he's okay with me saying that he's my boyfriend. He's the car guy that I was dating that got me into cars. So this is going to require his expertise to fix, and he's supposed to come over later, so we'll see what he said. There's a meme going around that says every 30-minute job, which this project is supposed to be, is one wrong bolt short of a 3-day event. And that's what it's looking like this project just turned into. Actually had parts laid out on both sides to show you guys everything, but let's see, I've got them all laid out, and this is the prop rod that I'm gonna be replacing. So I'm kind of a weird, unique person, so if there's something that you guys want to know, if you want to know more about